Welcome back to Car Reviews channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a standout in the electric vehicle EV market. Whether you're considering an upgrade or exploring EV options, this review will provide you with all the details you need. Starting with the exterior, the Atto 3 presents a modern and sleek design. Its dimensions include a length of 4,455 mm, width of 1,875 mm, and a height of 1,615 mm, offering a compact yet spacious SUV profile. The front fascia is characterized by sharp LED headlights with adaptive front lighting, complemented by a prominent grille that houses the BYD emblem. The side profile showcases clean lines and a sloping roofline, contributing to its aerodynamic efficiency. The rear features LED taillights with sequential indicators, adding a touch of sophistication. The Essential variant comes equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels, while the Premium variant boasts larger 18-inch wheels, enhancing its road presence. Moving inside, the Atto 3's cabin is a blend of innovation and comfort. The dashboard design is inspired by gym equipment, featuring barbell-style door handles and a kettlebell-shaped gear selector. The interior dimensions provide ample space for passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride. The Essential variant offers a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system, while the Premium variant upgrades to a larger 15.6-inch display. Both systems support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The seating arrangement includes leatherette upholstery, with the Premium variant offering heated front seats. Ambient lighting adds to the cabin's ambiance, with the Premium variant featuring a music rhythm function that syncs the lighting with audio. On the performance front, the Atto 3 is powered by a 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower electric motor driving the front wheels. The Essential variant is equipped with a 49.9 kilowatt-hours battery, offering a claimed range of up to 345 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. The Premium variant features a larger 60.5 kilowatt-hours battery, extending the range to approximately 420 kilometers. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is achieved in 7.9 seconds for the Essential and 7.3 seconds for the Premium, providing brisk performance for daily driving. The vehicle supports DC fast charging, with the Essential variant capable of charging at up to 70 kilowatts and the Premium variant at up to 88 kilowatts, allowing for quick top-ups during long trips. In terms of safety, the Atto 3 has received a 5-star rating from ANCAP, reflecting its robust safety features. Standard equipment includes autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. The Premium variant further enhances safety with additional features like rear cross traffic assist and front and rear parking sensors. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is positioned competitively in the EV market. The Essential variant is priced at $39,990, while the Premium variant is available for $44,990 before on-road costs. In Pakistan, the Atto 3 is expected to be priced between 9 million Pakistani rupees and 10.5 million Pakistani rupees, depending on the variant and specifications. In conclusion, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 offers a compelling package for those looking to transition to electric mobility. Its modern design, advanced technology, impressive performance, and competitive pricing make it a strong contender in the EV market. Whether you're seeking a daily commuter or a family-friendly SUV, the Atto 3 caters to a wide range of needs and preferences.